3D printing can be much cooler with this upgrade, the Raspberry Pi. Stay tuned. Yesterday I ordered this Raspberry Pi on the internet and today I got it in the mail, so it was quite fast. This is an upgrade that I'm going to add to my Ender 3 Pro from Creality, and with this Raspberry Pi I can monitor, I can make some cool time-lapse videos of my 3D printing to make some very cool, satisfying 3D print time-lapse videos. So I'm going to unbox this box, of course. So with this cool device, I'm going to unbox this Raspberry Pi box. Here in the Netherlands, we have a shop called the Raspberry Pi store. It's in Utrecht, which is a very big city in the Netherlands. Well, they packed it really good. Just unboxing this. So. It's going to open? No, not yet. Just here. Yeah. And here. Maybe I'm going to call this video a unboxing video of the Raspberry Pi 3. What's in the package? As you can see, in this box is a housing, a plastic cover to put the Raspberry Pi in. Then we got some Ethernet cable for connecting the Raspberry Pi onto the internet. Then we have in the box a HDMI cable so that you can put a monitor on the Raspberry Pi so that you can see what you are putting inside of the Raspberry Pi. Of course, you also have an adapter for powering, of course, the Raspberry Pi. A cool but very needed memory card. I also think that on the card is also the drivers for the Windows 10, so you can connect it with your Raspberry Pi. Of course, also the Raspberry Pi itself. This is the Raspberry Pi 3. And on the box it says Model B+. Okay, so, well, I'm going to put this on the table. The rest is not very important. Only the invoice, of course, and some other booklets. So this is the Raspberry Pi and this is the house where it's going to come in. So I'm going to unbox this, but I think there is some just unboxing. This is my first unboxing video, by the way. Thanks for watching this. So this cute little circuit board is the Raspberry Pi. Just putting this on the side. So this is a mini computer. You don't need a lot to have a computer, but this mini computer I can use to put on my Ender 3 Pro to monitor, like I said, the 3D printing. So in this package there are a few small components where you can install the Raspberry Pi. So just put the thing together, our microcomputer. So you take this, you put it like this, then the screws on the side. This little cover goes to this side. And then we take the cover down. No, okay, this is not working. So we are going to put it upside down, or just right way up. Just doing the first time this installing. Everything is clear to see. Yeah, as you can see, this is my first time, so if I can do this, then you can do it as well. So not such a big problem. Needs to be aligned all the way. I have the idea that for some reason, so just like this. Hey, this fits. Super. Then the top cover is going on top of it, of course, not underneath it. Just like this. Almost done. I count 5 screws. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I only have 4 holes, so I'm taking this off again. Maybe I missed one. Oh. So, okay. So in this package, there's just 1 screw extra in case you lose one, because they are very small and tiny. So I'm going to close it again for a second time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, hope the alignment is correct. Okay, so now we tie them with a Phillips screwdriver. This is one. I always try to put it as a cross. Oh, it's a little bit clumsy, but that's okay. Oh, here we also have a screw. Don't forget this. So my chair is more low than a normal desk chair. You can actually support me on Patreon. It's all for the benefit of this YouTube channel, so I can put nice content on it every time. Content, I mean, content doesn't need to cost anything, of course, because I have a camera, I have a 3D printer, I've got everything, but for some things I need some extra support, maybe a new chair. If you have some desk chair left, please leave a comment and it can help me. As you can see, there's a little bit too much space here. Click. When it clicks, it's okay. Like this. Screwdrivers are sometimes too small. Do I have a better one here? I see one that I have. Yeah, this is a better one, bigger. And screws are tightened well enough. So. Watch your hands, because sometimes it can happen that you slip and then you have some injuries, and that's not what needs to happen. Okay, all assembled. It's not that difficult, not that hard. The only hard part was getting it in the right direction. And now it's done, it's closed. The only thing that I need to do is put in the right software, install it, and then the Raspberry Pi is installed. So this was the unboxing of the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. Next video I'm going to show you how to put it on the Ender 3 Pro, and stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, put them below, and see you next time. Bye bye. Peace.